Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, who's one of you that likes the rainy season? And why not if we make your photo or transform your photo into the feeling the rain and you like it? And in this video I'd like to share you how to transform this selfie photo to become this raining animation like this. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the PixVerse. So you can simply open it, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And for the new user, they will usually give you several credits over here. And if you run out of the credit in this day or today, so don't worry, because they will usually provide you or renew your credits up to 60 credits, and it will be renewed every single day at 0 UTC following your time zone, guys. So stay tuned and you can start to create your animation. And you can go back to this home, and if you'd like to create the animation, so you can go to this template, and in the searching section you can start to type rain like this, and after that you can choose this one, and the next section or the next step will be uploading the picture. You can click this and you can select your picture and click open, and kindly wait for the uploading process. So by the way, this will be the creations from another users. And after that, you start to do the generation by clicking this create. And after that, it will bring you into this section, and you can start to play the video. And this will be the result. And if you like it, then you can start to click download without or with the watermark. And if you would like to download without the watermark, so you need to upgrade this PixVerse into the pro version, guys. So there will be a lot of benefits out there. And if you are interested, then you can start to purchase their package like this. You can go to this credits and you can choose about the package which one you prefer. They are the yearly and monthly package. So that's all guys, don't forget to turn your photo into this cool animation, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.